Originally, unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones, were developed for military purposes. However, today they are used in other fields as well, such as precision agriculture, education, research, and entertainment. There are two main types of drones: fixed-wing drones that work on the same principle as aeroplanes, and rotary drones that work on a principle similar to that of helicopters. The RQ-7 Shadow is an unmanned military aerial vehicle used for reconnaissance, identifying targets, and evaluating war damage. It measures 3.4 meters in length, and its wingspan is 4.3 meters. Its maximum speed is 204 kilometers per hour, and its net payload is about 27 kilograms. The Veloz is a single-rotor drone capable of carrying relatively heavy loads of cargo compared to its size. It has excellent maneuverability, even in bad weather conditions. Thanks to its design, it can keep flying even if it is seriously damaged. It measures 1.7 meters in length, and its maximum speed is 130 kilometers per hour. The Power-Up Dart is a small, paper airplane that can be controlled with a smartphone. It weighs only 11.5 grams, and its maximum speed is around 40 kilometers per hour. After charging the battery for 25 minutes, it has a flight time of up to 10 minutes. The DJI Phantom is a quadcopter used for taking aerial photos and videos. Its built-in camera is capable of recording videos in HD. Its range is 1 to 5 kilometers. Information necessary to operate unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, is collected by various sensors. Their position, speed, and rotation are determined with the help of GPS systems, accelerometers, and gyroscopes, respectively. These data make it possible to control the drones. Besides these, UAVs can be equipped with numerous other devices, for example, ultrasonic, laser, or radio wave remote sensing systems, barometric altimeters, and heat sensors. UAVs can fly autonomously or can be operated remotely. When operated remotely, they are controlled with radio waves. Two rotors on quadcopters, like the DJI Phantom, spin clockwise, while the other two spin in the opposite direction. Whether the drone moves forwards or backwards or turns to the left or right depends on the rotational speed of each rotor. By changing the rotational speed, the drone can also be turned clockwise or anti-clockwise, and its overall speed can be modified as well. If the speed of every rotor is increased, the drone rises, while the drone descends if it is decreased. If the speed of the front rotors is decreased, the drone flies forwards, but when the rear rotors are spinning more slowly, the drone moves backwards. If the speed of the rotors spinning clockwise is higher, the drone turns anti-clockwise.